The means test is one of two tests that an individual has to go through in order to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The most common type of bankruptcy is Chapter 7. To get into a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, an individual or individuals have to pass one of two tests. The first test asks what is the median income of that person or those persons. If those persons are under the median income, then typically they'll qualify for Chapter 7. If they are above the median income, then they have to go through a secondary test. The secondary test is the means test. And the means test is a detailed look at someone's income and expenses to determine if they qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The type of person that's going to be helped by the means test is the individual that is wanting to file a Chapter 7 to eliminate or discharge or wipe out their credit card debts, their medical bills, deficiencies from vehicles that have been repossessed, things like that. And so if someone is what's known as an above the median income debtor, then they're going to have to be able to qualify for a Chapter 7. They're going to have to qualify through the means test. If an individual wants to file bankruptcy and they fail the means test, they generally will not be able to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is the most common type of bankruptcy. That's where you eliminate or wipe out or discharge your debts. If they do not qualify for Chapter 7, then normally their only other option is to file a Chapter 13. And in a Chapter 13, what's commonly known as the wage earners plan, the individual has to make payments over the life of the bankruptcy, sometimes up to 5 years. The benefit of having an attorney help you with going through the means test is if someone is trying to file bankruptcy on their own, what's called pro se, if they are an above the median income debtor, then that means they have failed the first test to get into a Chapter 7. Now the individual or individuals have to qualify by going through the means test. And although you can go on the internet and you can look at the means test, there are a lot of nuances to the means test that if you've not done it over and over like I have, then you're not going to know some of these various nuances. For example, on the means test, there's a deduction for life insurance, but you're only allowed a deduction if you have a term life insurance, not a whole life insurance. So there are a lot of nuances and variables on the means test. And if you're gonna try and qualify for bankruptcy under Chapter 7, and you have to get qualified through the means test, it's important that you have an experienced professional to help you with that. I do offer a free consultation if you're contemplating filing bankruptcy, whether you have to go through the means test process or otherwise. I do offer the free consultation. I'll sit down with you, we'll go through your case, I'll ask you a number of detailed questions to determine whether bankruptcy is the right fit for you. I will be the one that handles your case personally. You'll work not only with my legal assistant, but with me. I'll be the one doing the initial interview, I'll be the one going to court with you. I will be involved in your case, you will be dealing with me.